So you are likely afraid because what you previously thought you wanted in some way was defining your identity, right? And the people around you have probably labeled you because of that identity, right? Let's say that your career path, you thought you wanted to be a fashion designer, and now you're realizing you don't. Since you've gotten clarity on what you don't want, there's gonna be this uncomfortable space where you don't know what you do want. You gotta lean into that, you have to embrace that. But because you're now in this space of unknown, the question to ask yourself is, what do I want? When you begin to focus your energy instead of what other people think about you and on yourself and getting the clarity you deeply want, then once you have that clarity, you will be much more secure in yourself and not allow whatever anyone else thinks of you to be impacting you. So the question I want you to ask yourself is, what label am I threatening by admitting that I don't like what I thought I liked? And why am I so afraid of no longer identifying with that label?